Hi guys, I'm back with a monthly recap. It's only a brief period of June before we head off to Mexico City, which you'll see in the next vlog. But it's June, which means that it's Pride Month, and we're en route to WeHo Pride. It's a tradition every single year for the past 5-ish years that I've been going. And it's such a magical experience because it's the time to just celebrate everyone for who they are. So we're here this year, so excited. BB Rexa even made a guest appearance during Diplo's set, which was super cool. She was actually really good, and her vocals were so amazing live. Jose is super stoked because Kylie Minogue is headlining, and he's been wanting to see her forever, so now's his chance. It's Wednesday. I have no idea what day it is. I think it's June 8th. But I'm going to have lunch now with my dad. Got my workout done for the day. Got my outfit. Check out my new phone case. I've been wanting this. I couldn't stop thinking about it for months. And I finally got myself to buy it as a treat myself gift. Today's the first full day of summer. It's the first day where it's gonna be 86 degrees out. So LA is really popping off today. Just keeping it cool with a tank top. And I got these new pants. I'm not into cargos at all. I never thought I would ever buy any, but I saw these at Uniqlo and now I'm obsessed. They look so good. I love them. And then just gonna wear some white sneakers, call it a day. But I'm loving doing my hair with some gel. Don't really do that often. I use normally like a wax, but excited to see my dad because it's been such a long time since I've seen him. So let's go get some lunch. Also gotta smell good too, so I'm wearing some Aesop Marrakesh. Let's go get some coffee first. I went for these cat eye nails. Jenny pops off all the time. So I got the jasmine buckwheat latte and it's so good. There's a really nice aftertaste of jasmine after the coffee. And I'm not sure what buckwheat really tastes like, but I'm really enjoying this. So nice treat to myself on a hot summer's day. Back on the road. Say hi. Hi. Where we're going for lunch. Dee. Oh, you're so cute. We're trying a new coffee spot today.
Camel.
This is good. It's like so creamy,
Yeah?
but like the cream is like so sweet and rich.
Yeah,
I like it.
you got camel?
Yeah, try
Can I
it. So I'm back home now after the gym and going to get coffee with Justine. I'm all showered. I'm ready for the day. So today we're planning to get lunch with Jose's mom, which is gonna be really nice. And then we're going to my best friend's brother's graduation. Who's also like my brother because I've known him before he was born. So I just put together this outfit. I have about like 2 hours before his mom gets here. So I'm trying to marinate some salmon so then I can cook and meal prep for my next work days. So let's go ahead and do that.
What's for France?
Round one. Huh? Oh. Cheers.
Jose Jonas.
Cheers
To me.
Yeah. And that's all, guys, for the first half of June. The week after this clip, we're headed to Mexico City, so hopefully I can show you guys that soon. But I'll see you next time.